Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today my topic is Super General Semi-Automatic Twin Tub Washing Machine. This machine having problem, this machine wash cycle not working properly, but spin cycle is working. Washing cycle only having problem. Now we have to check properly what is the exactly problem. Also we have to resolve this issue immediately because this customer very hurry. Now we will go to the next step and we will check. Already given power connection. Now first I will select spin cycle. You can hear the spin cycle is working properly, no any problem, but it's not break, but anyway it's not the complaint. Spin cycle is okay. While after closing it will start again. Yes, spin cycle is okay. Now I will off. Now problem is wash cycle. See, you can see it is I already select wash cycle normal, but a humming noise coming from the motor while we are giving. See, by the hand while we are giving pause, machine motor will start. What could be the reason? In our field, technician they know. Somebody will tell it is problem with the motor. Somebody will tell it is problem with the timer. Any other technician they will tell it's you have to check the what do you call the capacitor. Anyway, we have to check what is the exactly problem. First, we have to check the motor continuity, and it may be the starting winding having problem. That's why while we are giving force by hand is running, we have to check the motor continuity. Also, we have to check starting capacitor. If it is starting capacitor having problem, also it's happening like that. Anyway, we will go to the next step and we will check. We will remove the back cover. We have to check the motor continuity, also capacitor. First, we will remove the capacitor. It is already gone capacitor. You see, you can see. This is the problem actually. That's why it's starting winding. Motor not starting, capacitor already it came out like that. Now we have to replace the capacitor. This is original capacitor from the company. It is having the microfarad 4.2 and 11. We have to add same volume capacitor. After that our problem will get solved. Now we have to find out the capacitor and we will check, and here see it is already this blast it came like that. This is the problem, that's why it's not working. Now after replacing capacitor we will check again if it is okay. 100% problem with the capacitor. Now we will check the capacitor and we will check. I'm going to replace capacitor. I already found capacitor same volume. This one 10 and 4, the red and yellow 10, and gray and pink, black 4. That's one enough. We will check with this. After that, our problem, if it is work, our complaint will be finished. Our job already we can complete. Now I'm going to fix spin motor for the capacitor connection. It should be my microfarad 4. This one is showing already the black and red. Now I'm going to give a wash motor connection. It is yellow and pink. Here it's with the capacitor. It is same red and yellow. We can give connection. It is this capacitor microfarad 10, but it will be okay. Anyway, after fixing, we can check whether it's working or not. It should work. This type of work actually it is very easy. By ourselves we can resolve at our home, in our home, any issue with the washing machine. Just simply we will check, we will give the power connection like that. After that we will temporarily we will check with the power. Now I am giving power connection. I will already given power connection. We will check. Yes, spin cycle is okay. It's working with the capacitor which is I replace. Also now I will check. Yes, my dear, it's working now. The problem with the capacitor only. We will check the clutch gear assemble also. Yes, yes, it is okay. No problem. We will finish our job. Now we have to installation over the wire connection as same before. After that, our complaint will finish. Now we will installation. I already removed the seat that we are not able to use again. This one already came with the connectivity of that which I am not going to use again. I will installation. Now I have to cover all the connectors because it's chance to water will come. If water will come, it will get short. Because of that, I'm covering properly. उधर से जाना है उधर उधर का चल रहा है we will tight here because it's we touch with the spin motor because of that harness assembly we have to keep a little bit carefully video कर और अगला मिस now our job already completed. Now I have to fix back cover only. Power connection again. I will select spin cycle. Spin cycle is okay, perfect. Also we will select again wash cycle. Yes, it is working. I select already heavy load, clockwise, anti-clockwise, both sides working. Also, I will select normal. Normal also working without any problem. My job already completed. Thanks for watching my channel. We will meet with another video very shortly. Thanks again.